Welcome back to our health and fitness channel Everyday Endurance. In today's video, we'll be discussing a topic that's important for anyone who wants to build muscle mass, especially for beginners who are just starting out. Building muscle mass isn't just about lifting weights, it's about understanding your body and how it responds to exercise and nutrition. So, let's get started with some tips on how to build muscle mass for beginners. Tip number 1, start slow. When you're just starting out, it's important to ease into weightlifting to avoid injury. Start with a weight that you can lift comfortably for 8 to 10 repetitions, and gradually increase the weight over time as your muscles adapt and become stronger. Tip number 2, focus on compound exercises. Compound exercises are exercises that target multiple muscle groups at once, such as squats, deadlifts, and bench presses. These exercises are great for building muscle mass because they recruit more muscle fibers than isolation exercises. Tip number 3, rest and recover. Rest and recovery are just as important as exercise when it comes to building muscle mass. Your muscles need time to recover and repair after a workout, so make sure to get enough rest and avoid overtraining. Tip number 4, stretch and mobilize. Stretching and mobility exercises are essential for maintaining healthy muscles and preventing injury. Make sure to incorporate stretches and mobility exercises into your workout routine. Tip number 5, eat a protein-rich diet. Finally, building muscle mass requires a diet that's rich in protein to provide the amino acids your muscles need to grow and repair. Make sure to include protein-rich foods in your diet, such as chicken, fish, and beans. So, to recap, start slow, focus on compound exercises, rest and recover, stretch and mobilize, and eat a protein-rich diet. Follow these tips and you'll be on your way to building muscle mass in no time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and fitness tips.